Hi, Finley.
Hi.
What are you wearing?
A hoodie.
What kind of hoodie?
A kitty hoodie.
Where's your kitty? Yeah, what does the kitty say? Do you like your cat hoodie? Why do you like it?
I do.
'Cause you do?
But I
You look, oh, stay back. I can't see you very well.
Now, can you give me
Yeah. What's your name?
Finley?
Finley, can you come closer to me so I can see your hoodie? Twirl around so I can see it. Can you put your hood on? Show me the hood. Put the hood on.
The head.
Yeah. Put it on your head.
I can't.
Say thank you next for my cat hoodie.
Thank you for the net.
Say-
For him hoodie.
Say thank you next
Thank you for that.
for my cat hoodie.
For my cat hoodie. I like it. I like it.